guys, CryptoGrounds here. Welcome back to another C# Crash Course video. This is episode 3, and today we're going to be talking about constructors inside classes. So, as I mentioned before, constructors are already predefined in each class, but they don't need to be used all the time. Just for school, we don't really need to use them because they're not creating a new school every time. Unless we have a class such as like a district, we have numerous schools, okay? So we'll be using constructors for our classroom here. So to create a constructor, all you gotta do is write, wow, this marker is bad still. Public classroom, nothing else, just public classroom, okay? So we're gonna run short on space though, but what we're gonna do here is that this already exists inside your thing. That basically sets string as the name as empty and capacity is 0. So what if we want to create a classroom with our own settings or our own default stuff? What we can do here is get rid of this right here. We can put string n for name and int c for capacity. Of course, you probably want better names than that, but that's just for example. So now in here, what we can do is set name to our input. So we just do name equals n, and then we set capacity to c. All right. So I forgot to explain this earlier, but the reason why these are private is because we do not want to be able to change classrooms' default stuff. All right, we'll have to make methods in order to change that, just for security issues or security purposes. So now in here, we're gonna create our classroom again. So what we do now, we write public classroom. Let's do tech, that's our classroom, is going to be equal to new. We're going to run out of space, but this would be on the same line. So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. All right, and then we do new classroom. And in here, we type whatever we want. So for our string, our name, we're going to put computer science. We're just gonna do computers, okay? And now for the capacity, let's say we want 20. Just like that. So now we have tech. It is, the name is computers and it's got a capacity of 20. All right? So that is it for this video. It was really short, sweet, and simple. Hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Just let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bells if you enjoyed the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.